Hello everybody, I'm back with another video in the greenhouse cooking on a Coleman stove. Gonna have homemade chili, fried cornbread. The skillet's heating up with some corn oil in it. Hamburger meat, a little bit of tomato juice already. In the greenhouse. I like cooking on my Coleman stove when I'm camping. I ain't doing much camping this winter time. So we're gonna add 3 cans of light red kidney beans. I've already opened them. Lux light red kidney beans. There's 1. Two. Trying to get the beans to fall out. One bean left in that can, but I don't believe that's going to be nothing to worry about. Tomatoes with green chilies. These tomatoes, Mexican style, jalapeno peppers and spices. That'll be good. If I can get them to come out. Okay. Wow. Big old pot of chili. Take me all week to eat that, but that's the idea. Tomato juice. I had a pound of hamburger meat I browned first. Added some tomato juice. Keep it from burning and sticking until I got the other cans open. The only thing left to add, and I don't buy the generic brand of this stuff. I buy the good stuff. Generic tomato juice, generic tomatoes. I do get the Lux beans, but I get the good brand of this. So I'm going to add this. First, I'm going to let it cook a while. Get all this up to heat. Man, that's a big old pot of chili. I've used this Coleman stove 20 years on the lake and river. I've used this pot 20 years. Have the whole entire set of blue camping metal dishes and cups, but the pot is the only thing I use out of that set. I may add some cornmeal. I will add some cornmeal to this. Alrighty. Let's get the lid on that. Let it start heating. We'll start the cornbread. Bump her up. I get my body camera on my shirt. Name brand cornmeal, Marshall White Yellow. Already got her mixed up, ready to go. Was going to use a spoon for this, but I'll just rake some out. That's a little too much. It'll just make a big piece. Turn that down. Alrighty. Took the camera back off my shirt. Good skillet. Bought that skillet at the flea market. $6. It's a Lodge brand. Best $6 I ever spent. I use it every day. Frying eggs and ham and spam and whatever I want to fry. And use this pot quite a bit. Use that pot more than I do my cast iron pot. So yesterday I made some more apple cider. Took some apple juice, apple cider, cinnamon, cooked it all together. Added a cup and a half of white sugar, cup and a half of brown sugar. Brought it up to heat, let it cool. Added some vodka to that mixture in my stock pot. Poured it in the jars. And that is store-bought. But I saved that jar to put mine in. So apple juice, apple cider, white sugar, brown sugar, cinnamon, cooked. Mixed in a bottle of vodka. That's all I did, store-bought vodka. So there you have it, just another idea what you can do. Or you can do this outside. Not everybody's got a greenhouse. You can do this outdoors on a fire. Got some stuff growing in here. Lettuce, greens, collard greens, mustard, iceberg lettuce. So there you have it. I ain't gonna make a long, boring video. Might use this for a thumbnail. See if it'll get a picture of it. Fried cornbread. Alrighty, thank y'all for watching. I'll be back. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.